Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily find all the archived posts on Facebook in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all, you'll head over to this Facebook application. I'm on my iPhone. You can follow the exact same steps on your Android. Then tap on three lines on the bottom right to head over to the menu. Scroll down a bit and you'll find an option of settings and privacy. Tap on it. And on the top you'll find an option of settings. You'll have to tap on settings. Once you're on this page, scroll down all the way until you find activity log on the top. Tap on activity log, and right next to the recycle bin on the top left, you'll find an option of archive. Tap on it, and you will be able to find all the archived posts on Facebook. That's how you can easily find archived posts on Facebook application. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions,